Ancient Greece feels familiar until you look closer, and suddenly everything shifts. You see stone foundations, sun-bleached and silent, yet each rests on a place chosen with uncanny precision. Some believe the Greeks selected temple locations through pure geometry, but one theory suggests something deeper, something you can almost sense when you stand on the old earth and feel the wind move across the ruins. Temples did not rise randomly. They perched on ridges where the sunrise struck like a blade, or simply read the land where the water echoed against stone in strange rhythmic patterns. In some regions, temples align with distant peaks, forming straight lines that stretch across the landscape like invisible pathways. You can imagine people walking them, listening to the ground, feeling the hum of the terrain beneath their feet. Microfact: some sanctuaries sit above fault lines, where subtle vibrations shift the air. Microfact: many sites mirror star positions during specific festivals. Others occupy acoustic sweet spots where a whisper travels farther than expected. One study suggests certain temples amplified ritual drums, making the earth tremble for anyone nearby. These fragments create a pattern you can almost hear, a pattern that invites you closer. Then comes the twist. When you map enough temples, the placements form networks, not clusters. They connect mountains, coastlines, and celestial events. One theory suggests early Greek planners saw the land as alive, its contours carrying messages. Another claims the priests sought places where mythic stories and sensory experiences fused. And as you picture these alignments, the air seems to tighten like a room before a revelation. Now imagine the pole moment. If you lived in ancient Greece, would you choose a sacred site by logic or by feeling? That question lingers, bridging ancient intuition with modern doubt. Reflection follows quietly. You sense how different the world becomes when geography feels meaningful, charged, whispering through wind, water, and stone. These choices echo through time because they remind us we once trusted the land more, listened more, stood still long enough to feel its pulse. The soft resolution tease rises. Maybe the Greeks built temples where myth met sensation, where sky met earth, where stories felt physically anchored, or maybe they followed a system waiting to be rediscovered. So the curiosity remains open. Were these locations chosen by science we no longer recognize, or by intuition we no longer use? Stay curious, explore the next mystery, and subscribe for more stories that reveal the hidden logic of ancient worlds.